Hi there. In Java, operators are special symbols that are used to perform various operations on operands. In this lesson, you will learn about different types of operators used in Java programming language, including arithmetic, assignment, relational, logical, and ternary operators. You will also learn about operator tokens, which is the order in which the operators are evaluated. You will start by learning about arithmetic operators, which are used to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You will also learn about arithmetic assignment operators, which are used for performing arithmetic operations and assign the result to a variable in a single step. In addition, you will explore relational operators, which are used to compare two values and return a Boolean result, and logic operators, which are used to combine multiple Boolean expressions and return a Boolean result. Finally, you will learn about the ternary operator, which is the shorthand way of writing an if-else statement. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of operators and operator precedence in Java programming. See you in the next video.